and welcome back to FXX. I am Max and today we're talking about something that can genuinely level up your trading in 2026, and that's the tools you're using day to day. Because let's be honest, most traders spend all their time searching for the perfect strategy, when in reality, the difference between struggling and improving often comes down to the setup around you. The right tools won't magically make you profitable, but they will make the process clearer, more efficient, and a lot more structured. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the 5 trading tools that actually matter. These are the tools that cover analysis, execution, tracking, and research, and when used together, create a much more complete trading workflow. If you want to jump between sections, well, feel free to use the timestamps below, but I would recommend watching the full video because each of these plays a different role. If you wish to try any of these tools following this video, you can find all the relevant links in the description. If it's all right with you, let's get into it. First up, we have TradingView, and this is where everything starts. This is your charting platform, your workspace, and essentially the place where all of your trading decisions are formed before you ever place a trade. TradingView gives you clean, highly customizable charts across a huge range of markets, including Forex, indices, commodities, and, crypto. You can mark up your charts with support and resistance levels, trend lines, indicators, and custom layouts that match your strategy. What makes TradingView particularly powerful is how smooth and flexible it is. You can switch between timeframes instantly, save different chart setups, and access everything from desktop or mobile without losing continuity. There's also a large community element where traders share ideas and setups, which can be very useful for context and inspiration as long as you're not blindly following others. At the end of the day, your analysis is only as good as the environment you're working in, and TradingView provides a clean, reliable space to actually read the market properly without unnecessary friction. Next up, we have TraderSync. And this is where things start to get real. Because while charting is important, improvement comes from understanding your own performance. And that is exactly what a trading journal is for. TraderSync allows you to log and track all of your trades, either by syncing with your broker or uploading them manually. And that turns that data into detailed insights. You can analyze your win rate, your risk to reward, performance by asset, time of day, and even specific strategies. Over time, this starts to reveal patterns in your trade that you might not notice otherwise. You might find that you consistently perform better during certain sessions, or that one setup you like is actually underperforming. TraderSync also includes features like trade replay and backtesting, which allow you to revisit past market conditions and practice your execution in a controlled way. This is where a lot of traders either improve rapidly or realize, much like Sisyphus, they're pushing that boulder up the same hill and repeating their same mistakes. It is not always comfortable, but it is necessary. Because once the data is there, you're no longer guessing, working with evidence. Moving on, we have Magic Keys, and this tool focuses on one of the most overlooked parts of trading, execution. A lot of traders have decent analysis but fall apart when it comes to actually placing trades. They hesitate, they miscalculate position sizes, or they risk more than they intended in the moment. Magic Keys removes a lot of that inconsistency by allowing you to predefine your risk parameters and execute trades quickly and accurately. Instead of manually calculating lot sizes or adjusting stops under pressure, everything is based on your rules before you even enter the trade. This creates consistency, which is absolutely critical over time. It also reduces emotional decision making, especially in fast-moving markets where hesitation can cost you. Think of it as adding structure to the final step of your process. Because even the best analysis in the world can be undone by poor execution, and tools like Magic Keys help you stay disciplined when it matters most. Next up, we have MyFXBook, which is all about tracking and validating your performance in a slightly different way. While TraderSync focuses more on internal journaling and detailed breakdowns, MyFXBook allows you to connect your trading account and analyze your results externally with a high level of transparency. You can track metrics like drawdown, profit curves, win rate, and account growth, all displayed in a clean and visual format. One of the key benefits of MyFXBook is that it gives you a broader view of your performance over time, helping you understand consistency and risk exposure at a glance. It also allows traders to share their performance publicly if they choose, which can add an extra layer of accountability. Even if you keep things private, having that independent tracking can be incredibly useful. It forces you to look at your results objectively without that bias that often comes from reviewing your own trades. In a space where perception can easily drift away from reality, tools like MyFXBook keep things grounded. It is worth noting that MyFXBook does have a range of additional features such as economic calendars, market sentiment analysis, and open forum to discuss everything trading, plus an education section. And finally, the last tool on the list. Now, I'll be honest, This one might be slightly biased, just slightly. But hear me out. The FXAX website. Now before you roll your eyes and say of course you're going to include your own platform, let me explain why it's actually here. In 2026 there is an overwhelming amount of information out there for traders, and a lot of it is either outdated, overly complicated, or let's be honest, not that helpful. The idea between FXAX is to cut through all of that noise and give you clear, structured content around brokers, platforms, and the trading space in general without sending you down a 3-hour rabbit hole. You can find broker reviews, comparisons, and insights all in one place, which saves you time and, more importantly, helps you avoid making decisions based on guesswork. Now, yes, we're putting ourselves in the top 5, which is a bold move. Hey, there's nothing wrong with a selfish plug. But at the same time, if we didn't think it was useful, I wouldn't be sitting in front of you in the first place. So we'll let you be the judge on that one. So there you have it, 5 trading tools that cover the full spectrum of what you need as a trader in 2026. TradingView for your analysis, TraderSync for your journaling and improvement, Magic Keys for your execution, MyFXBook for performance tracking, and of course, FXAX for your research and friendly face. Each of these tools plays a different role, and when combined they create a much more structured and professional approach to trading. You do not need dozens of tools, and you do not need to overcomplicate things. You just need the right ones, used consistently and with purpose. If you found this video useful, let me know in the comments which of these tools you are already using and which ones you're planning to add to your setup. A reminder that all links can be found in the description. Make sure you're subscribed for more content like this, and as always, stay sharp, trade smart, and I'll see you next time at the sharp end.